Fruits have long been celebrated as nature's candy, bursting with flavor and vibrant colors that can brighten any meal. Beyond their delightful taste and aesthetic appeal, fruits are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly enhance our health. Incorporating a variety of fruits into our diets not only satisfies our sweet cravings, but also supports our overall wellness. With that in mind, let's explore 10 of the healthiest fruits that can elevate our diets and improve our well-being. Blueberries are often hailed as one of the most potent superfoods available. These tiny, deep blue orbs are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved heart health and cognitive function. Regular consumption of blueberries may help reduce the risk of heart disease and lower blood pressure. They are also a great source of vitamin C and fiber, making them an excellent choice for boosting the immune system and aiding digestion. Whether tossed into a morning smoothie, sprinkled over oatmeal, or enjoyed on their own, blueberries are a delicious way to add a healthful punch to your day. Next on our list is the humble apple, a fruit that has earned its place in the health lexicon with the adage, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Apples are high in fiber, particularly pectin, which can help lower cholesterol levels and promote gut health. They are also a great source of vitamin C and various antioxidants. The variety of flavors, from sweet to tart, means there's an apple for everyone. Enjoy them fresh, sliced with nut butter, or baked with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, comforting dessert. The versatility of apples makes them an easy addition to any diet. Bananas, with their bright yellow skin and creamy texture, are one of the most popular fruits worldwide. They are an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and proper muscle function. Bananas also provide a quick energy boost thanks to their natural sugars, making them a perfect pre- or post-workout snack. Additionally, their high fiber content aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Whether eaten on their own, blended into smoothies, or mashed into pancakes, bananas are a convenient and nutritious fruit to have on hand. Oranges, with their vibrant color and refreshing juiciness, are synonymous with vitamin C. This essential nutrient is crucial for a healthy immune system and skin health. Oranges also contain flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The fiber in oranges aids digestion and can help lower cholesterol levels. Enjoy them fresh, in salads, or as a zesty addition to smoothies. The bright flavor of oranges can uplift any dish and provide a refreshing burst of health benefits. Strawberries are not just a delightful treat, they are also incredibly nutritious. Packed with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, strawberries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They may also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Their sweet flavor and bright red color make them a favorite in desserts, but they can also be used in salads or as a topping for yogurt. The versatility of strawberries makes them a beloved fruit that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Avocados, often categorized as a vegetable, are technically a fruit and a unique one at that. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Avocados are also packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamins E and K, making them a nutrient-dense food. Their creamy texture and mild flavor lend themselves well to a variety of dishes, from guacamole to salads and smoothies. Incorporating avocados into your diet can enhance satiety and provide essential nutrients that support overall health. Pineapple, with its tropical flair and sweet, tangy flavor, is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It is high in vitamin C and manganese, both of which are essential for immune function and bone health. Pineapple also contains bromelain, an enzyme that may aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Whether enjoyed fresh, grilled, or blended into a refreshing smoothie, pineapple adds a burst of flavor and health benefits to any meal. Watermelon is the quintessential summer fruit, known for its hydrating properties and refreshing taste. Composed of about 92% water, watermelon is ideal for staying hydrated, especially in hot weather. It is low in calories and contains vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like lycopene, which may promote heart health and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Whether enjoyed in slices, blended into smoothies, or cubed in salads, watermelon is a delightful way to cool off while reaping health benefits. Grapes, small yet mighty, are a convenient snack that packs a punch of nutrition. They are rich in vitamin C and K, as well as antioxidants like resveratrol, which has been linked to heart health. Grapes are also hydrating due to their high water content. They can be enjoyed fresh, frozen for a cool treat, or added to salads for a burst of sweetness. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect alternative to candy, allowing you to indulge in something sweet while still making a healthy choice. Finally, we arrive at papaya, a tropical fruit that is often overlooked but deserves a spot on our plates. Papaya is rich in vitamin C and A, as well as digestive enzymes like papain, which can aid in digestion and reduce bloating. Its vibrant orange flesh is not only visually appealing, but also packed with antioxidants that support skin health. Papaya can be enjoyed fresh, added to smoothies, or even used in salsas for a unique twist. Its health benefits and exotic flavor make it a worthy addition to any fruit basket. Incorporating these 10 fruits into your daily diet can significantly enhance your health and well-being. Each fruit brings its unique set of nutrients and benefits, contributing to a balanced and varied diet. As you explore these fruits, consider how they can fit into your meals and snacks. Share your favorites with friends and family, and inspire others to embrace the delicious and nutritious world of fruits. After all, the journey to better health can be as enjoyable as it is rewarding. One delightful bite at a time.